Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I have this look for you guys using the Desert Dust palette by Huda Beauty. I hope you enjoy and let's get started. Okay, so first things first, I'm applying my base. I'm just using a concealer and I'm just gonna blend that out. So the first shade that I'm going to be taking is this one right here. It's a gorgeous brown color. And I'm going to blend this from my crease and just blend it all over. And I'm bringing this color all the way in, like that. Right above the crease, like this. And blending upwards. This will create that lifted look. Whatever is left on the brush, just keep blending. So we're just leaving that little space right there for a highlight. So just keep blending. And once I have that, like that, I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing for the other one. Bringing this color all the way in, basically all over your eyes. Bringing this color all the way, flicking it. And I'm just gonna add a little more. I'm just packing it. Right on my lid and blending it on my crease. And this is just adding a little intensity to the color. Doing the same thing, just packing that same brown way. Once you hit the crease, stop right there and blend it. And right here on the outer part, just add a little and blend it and blend it out. Okay, so this is what we have so far. Now I'm taking the same brown and I'm going under. So right under your eyelashes. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to get this color right here. It's called Saffron, I think. It's that one right there. It's a nice deep burgundy. So I'm gonna get that shade. And I'm gonna put that right here on my crease. So right there and blending it up, so right above the crease. Just adding more. Just look at it and see if you need more. So just blend it right above the crease. And just connect it with the other shade that we had under that one. Get the same shade and do it under your eyelashes. And with this one, I'm just going halfway, meaning, you know, from here to here. So from here to, this is how it's looking. I know it's looking a little crazy, but just hold on. Don't lose hope. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna be taking some glitter primer. This one is from NYX. It looks like that. So I'm gonna be taking this glitter glue and apply it on my eyelid. I'm gonna be taking my brush and I'm gonna be taking this glitter right here that is called Cosmo. And it looks like that. So I'm packing this glitter just like that, and it's your decision to see like how high you want it. For me, it's perfect right there, right in the crease. You see? So when I close my eyes, it stops right on the crease. But you can go higher, and I would also suggest doing your face makeup after if you're using glitter. I really didn't know what I was gonna do, so I did my face makeup and I just literally created this on the spot, so I didn't have an idea of what I was gonna do. But it would be easier, you know, for you to just do it after, because all that glitter can drop on your face and then it's a mess. Glitter primer, pack the glitter, let's not forget this corner. So now I'm just gonna be taking this rose gold from this palette. It's called Angelic and it looks like this. It's a gorgeous color. I'm gonna be taking that just a little bit and I'm gonna highlight with this. Very lightly. Okay, so this is what we have so far. What we're gonna do now is I'm gonna add some eyeliner. I'm just using the Smashbox Always Sharp waterproof eyeliner. And I'm just going to add this on my waterline. Going under my eyelashes, just adding more on this corner, on my outer corner. And look what just happened. I just blinked and it went right there. And this is the things we have to deal with. Just taking my finger and kind of blend that out in there very softly. You can always fix it. Let me just go ahead and blend this. Let me do the same thing on this side. Now I'm just gonna be taking my pencil brush and blend that out. Just try to move it around. Ooh, you know what? I kind of feel like adding this black right here. I'm just gonna do it. So let's go ahead and add a little. And should have thought about doing this before the glitter. Just because it's easier. I'm just adding a little on the outer corner. We're just smudging the eyeliner. It just creates a smoky look. Just smoking it out. I think this is so pretty. I love it. I'm just gonna curl my eyelashes. And just to be extra, I'm gonna do some eyelashes. And I'm just gonna reuse some eyelashes that I have here. These are the Ardell Wispies. I don't know the number. I'm gonna put it down below. And look at that. Look at that crazy difference. I still prefer this side, I don't know why. Maybe because I never wear eyelashes. But they do make the look extra glam. So this is what I do, guys. I click the center, pull it, measure it. Obviously you gotta measure it before you put glue on it. So you cut them based on your eye shape. But that's what I do. I do the center, then I pull it, measure where I want it to start, and then take it and hold it for 3 seconds, let it go. Then I come back over here and press it and hold it. Press it and hold it. And then I just do this. Pressing the eyelashes on my real eyelashes. Now I'm just gonna add some mascara on my bottom eyelashes because they're looking very just simple. So now we have this going on. We gotta match. And finally, I'm just gonna add a little of this mascara right on my real eyelashes so that they blend right on the fake eyelashes. You know what I mean? Like, I'm not going all the way, but just where my eyelashes and meet the fake ones. Like that. And I just used the Lash Paradise by who? I have no idea by who. It doesn't say. Maybe maybe I'm blind. I have no idea, but it's this one right here. So now I'm just gonna be taking care of the little glitter fallout that I have going on. And that's why, you guys, you do your eye makeup first and then your foundation and everything, but I always do it backwards. And you know what, before I go, I'm gonna be adding a little bit of this natural color. It's called Desert Sand. It's the first shade on the palette. It's a really natural shade, and I'm just gonna add it under my brow bone. So you guys, I think this is the final look. I don't have anything else to add on it, and I think it looks pretty, and the eyelashes are just like on everybody's face. Super glam, super cute, so pretty. Look at that. And close my eyes. What do you guys think about this look? As you saw, it was pretty easy to do, nothing crazy. We just added 3 shades, I think, and we came up with this. Now let me just model it for you, and my crazy bird is in the background, so I'm sorry if you hear her. Crazy, please! Alright, so here we have the final look. Let me pose for you guys.